It's rainy season in Balkan. Every year, million tourists visit forests like this, but they don't know it's very easy to get lost. I'm going to the chopper now with my special camera teams to Balkanian Rain Forest.
This is one of the most dangerous places on earth. We're gonna show you how to survive here on a hard way. We're gonna spend a few days in deadly jungle.
The pilots take me down into the deep jungle, and on my own I find a way out.
Okay, I'm down. This is the Balkanian Rain Forest, and it's unbelievable. It's everywhere here. So that means the sun is there, come down, so, and that means there is the west, and that's the way we can go. Let's move. 3,000 square miles of deadly jungle, and many tourists every year lost here, and I show you how to find the way out this here jungle. My problem is the many animals who stand here, spiders, tigers, and let's move. But I need to find some food. Hey, put it back. Look at that. There's a little insect when I say, but there's not enough food, but there is some energy and protein, and we are in the jungle. You must eat everything you find. I'm eat better. Let's move. In this jungle, the day is very shortly, and when the suns come down, the days it's night. But it's night. When it's night, it's very dark, and when it's dark, I couldn't see anything. But very soon I must build some shelter and find water and food. This is a plant which looks very delicious, but in fact this is a poisonous plant which you can die in less 3 hours. It's very dangerous, and you must care for that. Let's move. It's very quiet here. Hear that? There's a bear, and you must quiet here. And easy to move. This jungle is very hard to keep moving because there's a little spider. Look at that. And I must taste that. There's especially some proteins. Come on. Where the hell am I? I'm trying to find some food. I climbed that tree using the techniques from special forces. I'll try again. I need a better than my swim with full protein. Oh. There's two things about it. One of the things, there's full proteins and energies. And two, and the other bad news, disgusting. Let's move.